probably more importantly, Pleiades has got clinical assets in the PAPMV, which have got significant data and have really significant value. And our shareholders in Roquefort will realize value from Pleiades being able to move those assets forward.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me is Roquefort Therapeutics CEO, Ajan Reginald. Ajan, very good to see you again. You've signed a binding share purchase agreement with Pleiades Pharma, that's for your Lyramid subsidiary. So you've really moved quickly on this deal since announcing it last month. Refresh us about the deal, please.
Absolutely, yeah. Good morning. Yes, we've been able to move quickly within 30 days. And the deal has a total consideration of $10.8 million. Which is made up of shares and cash, and it's for the sale of our Lyramid subsidiary, which is a 100% owned subsidiary.
Of course, you bought Lyramid for £1 million back in 2021, so you realized a lot of value through that acquisition.
Yes, I mean, I think it really validates our model. As you say, we bought Lyramid for £1 million. We spent about another £1 million developing the assets, demonstrating the efficacy that we need to demonstrate to show these are good assets with high potential to become medicines, and that's now being realized by the Pleiades team, who are experts. They've got a strong track record of developing medicines and realizing very high value exits. So I think it's great validation for the team at Roquefort to be able to identify these uncut gems or diamonds in the rough, and then to be able to develop them so we can then demonstrate that value.
Tell us about the assets they'll be acquiring through Lyramid and how they will take that forward.
Sure. Yes, it's a Midkine portfolio that includes the Midkine mRNA and the Midkine SSO, which were developed in-house by Roquefort Therapeutics. And the legacy antibody assets as well, which came in with the acquisition.
Ajan, you're going to end up with a material stake in Pleiades. Tell us about Pleiades and how significant the stake is going to be for you.
Yes, certainly. I think there's three elements to that. The first is that the Midkine assets will be developed by Pleiades, and we'll realize some upside from that. Probably more importantly, Pleiades has got clinical assets in the PAPMV, which have got significant data and have really significant value. And our shareholders in Roquefort will realize value from Pleiades being able to move those assets forward. And then finally, as I mentioned, the Pleiades team have got a track record of realizing deals to Big Pharma. So they've got a track record of selling to Big Pharma. And I think, therefore, the portfolio they put together will increase in value significantly, and therefore our stake in Pleiades should increase in value significantly as well.
So, Ajan, you're going to be left focusing on developing your MK cell therapy and your STAT6 programs. Would you look at following through with other licensing deals and trade sales?
Absolutely. Yes. So this deal allows us to focus and to continue to reduce our cost base. So we've got a longer runway because we can focus on MK and STAT6. We already had interest in the STAT6 last year. We absolutely intend to complete deals for the MK and for the STAT6 in this coming year.
John, I hope you'll keep us updated on any progress with that. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Very good. Nice to speak to you. Thank you.
That's Ajan Reginald, the CEO of Roquefort Therapeutics.